How to transfer money from credit card to bank account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can transfer the money from the credit card to the bank account. If any day you would like to transfer money from the credit card to bank account, there are some of the modes. One of the modes is the net banking. So for this, you have to go to your bank's official website, or you can also open the mobile banking application. After that, you have to log into your bank account using your login credentials. After logging in, you have to go to the credit card section to access your credit card account details. In the credit card section, you have to select the funds transfer option. After that, you have to navigate and then click on the transfer to bank account. There you have to enter the amount that you would like to transfer and the bank account details where you would want the funds to go. After that, you have to verify all the details accurately. You can confirm the transfer request and provide any required security measures like the one-time passport. The other mode is you can also do from the phone call. You can call your credit card company and then request the authorities to transfer your funds. After that, you can confirm the amount that you would like to transfer to your bank account. You could then provide your bank account details and any other necessary information. You have to follow the further steps provided by your credit card company to complete the transfer. If you'd like to go through the offline mode, you have to go to your bank branch with your credit card, ID and the bank account details. You can ask the teller to transfer the funds from your credit card to your bank account. A small fee will be charged for the service. Then you can withdraw the desired amount of cash from an ATM using your credit card. You can then deposit that cash into your bank account using the very bank facility. And this way you can write a check or obtain a money order for the amount that you would like to transfer. You can deposit the check or money order in your bank account. So this is the way on how you could do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.